This is a walk through the trees and bushes to our yurt. It's actually pretty cool. So right now it is, honey, what time it is right now? 9:37 p.m. And see, it's still really light outside. Yeah, that's cool. So this is our spot. It's actually pretty cool. I like it. One time's experience is gonna be I'm pretty sure it's gonna be one time in life.
Here's the one time event.
Yeah, something different. So we're coming up on the stairs, and this is our yurt. Look at this. How cool is this? So this is door, and look at this.
Go inside.
All right, so it's kind of like down and up. I guess we're staying up. Let's go up. It's really tiny. We have a light over there, a few beds. It's actually pretty cool. So basically it's a round tent. It's pretty cool. And this is downstairs. Alright, so here's the 2 bunk beds. So this is a common area. We have a fridge, microwave, coffee. There is breakfast supplies. Oatmeal, oils, pancake mix. So if somebody wanna make something, you can open this. Oh, you can. There is eggs also. Alright, there we go. There's the cups, mugs, pots, kitchen towels. I'm just looking around. Now we have a Blackstone griddle. There's more. Yeah, it's really unique. It's really unique. Unique place. Here is the bathroom. It's all outside. Sink is not here. And here is 2 showers. Shower A and shower B, and we have a sink. The sink is outside. And that is the shower. Towels, shower, another toilet, and sink. There we go. So here they have 11 yards.